Is your Android phone feeling sluggish? Even though you're not downloading big apps or taking a million photos, you might be surprised where your storage is really going. Here's the secret. Google Chrome quietly saves data from every website you visit. That's every article, every video, every page. It's all piling up in the background. Over time, this can add up to 10, 20, even 30 gigabytes of hidden junk slowing down your phone. Let's fix it right now. Grab your phone and follow along. Step 1. Open up Google Chrome. Got it? Cool. Now, tap those three dots in the top right corner and head to Settings. Scroll down until you see Site Settings. Tap on that. Keep scrolling down to the very bottom and tap Saved Data. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a list of every website that's been quietly grabbing your storage. Some might be tiny, but others could be hogging hundreds of megabytes each. To clear it all, just tap Delete All Data at the bottom. Confirm it, and boom, you've just freed up a ton of space. Quick tip, after you do this, you might get logged out of a few sites. No worries, just log back in, your accounts are safe, and your files are untouched. If it's your first time clearing this out, you might gain back several gigabytes instantly. And trust me, your phone will feel faster and smoother right away. More storage, better performance. It's that simple. If this helped you, share it with someone always running low on space. And don't forget to subscribe for more quick tech wins.